Hello, today I'm in Nissan Micra. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. To use front wipers, simply push the lever upwards, once to use it in mist mode, once downwards to use it in constant mode that you can also adjust in the middle of the lever. If you push it again downwards, you will use it in slow mode and again in fast mode. To disable it, set it to off position. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.